Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another What's New Wednesday video. Today we're talking about the new Charlotte Tilbury Starry Eyes to Hypnotise palette. So, this palette, as soon as I saw this, I knew I had to have it. This was the palette she released a week or two ago online, and you could only order it for 24 hours and then it went away, but it should be coming back in stock. I've heard sometime next month in October, but I have not seen an exact release date, but it should be coming back. I've been looking in the Instagram comments and they've given no indication that it's not coming back. So this, of course, I ordered it because I couldn't resist. I just couldn't do it. I tried and I failed miserably. So I wanted to show you guys and do some swatches and do a little demo for you today. It is what I have on my eyes today. If you're interested in seeing some swatches and the rest of my thoughts on this palette, definitely keep watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and definitely subscribe before you leave. I post a new video every Wednesday and every Friday. Also, make sure to follow me over on Instagram. My handle is at simply.blair. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the palette. To swatch these colors really quick so you can get a better idea of what they're going to look like. So we're going to start out with the Happy Glow here, and we'll get these swatched on my arm. Okay, so there's the first shade, super pretty. That's the prime shade for Happy Glow. That is the enhanced shade. And this is the smoke shade. One of the only mattes in the palette. So that's super pretty. So neutral. You could just do a really pretty everyday bronzy look with just one of those colors, two of these colors. You can mix them with all the other color groupings. So that's super, super pretty. Now we'll do this one, the Love Glow. It's more of a pinky toned grouping. So there's the prime shade. Next we have the enhanced shade. Super pretty, like a rose gold color. And then we have the smoke shade, which is a rosy kind of pink color. So pretty. All these tones go really, really well together, so I think I'm going to use a mixture of both of these trios today in the demo, but they're so pretty. The next one is the Dream Glow, so it's the more green toned shades. This one I was so excited about because I love green eyeshadow. I love to wear green in general, so I was excited about this. So that's just a pretty kind of golden color. And then we have the Enhance. It's more of a mossy green. And then we have the really green shade for the smoke color. Oh, so pretty. I was just sitting here looking at this. The Love Glow actually kind of reminds me of her Pillow Talk kind of colors, but this green is so beautiful. I love that. Last, we will swatch the Seduce Glow, which is kind of the smokier trio. It has that dark black, although the black does look a little bit like navy to me almost. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be black, but it looks kind of navy to me. Okay, so here is the prime shade. That one's a really light one, almost like a silvery kind of color. And then the Enhanced shade is more of like a, get a little bit more. This is a lighter color. It's more of like a kind of blue-gray color. And then last but not least, we have the really pretty, I'm assuming it's supposed to be black, but it definitely has a little bit of a navy tone to me, but look at those colors. I can't, these colors are just so beautiful. Look how pretty they all look together. I can't get over it. Oh, so pretty. So we will go ahead and get into the demo now. Okay, so I'm first going to prime my eyes with a little bit of the Magic Away concealer. This is in the shade 3. I really love this concealer to prime your eyes because it's a really good consistency. It's super thin, but it does a really nice job of evening out the skin on your eyes without being super, super heavy. So I'm just going to take a little of her Flawless Finish powder and just lightly set that concealer. So I'm gonna play around, I think, with the Happy Glow and the Love Glow. So those neutral and pinky tones. I'm first gonna take this prime shade here in the Happy Glow. And I'm just gonna put this on my lid. This is just a pretty golden shimmer color. So then I'm gonna take the Smoke shade, this pretty kind of camel color brown. And we're gonna put that in the crease. This is such a perfect transition color. So pretty. For me, Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadows just blend so easily. I have a few of her quads. I didn't get the holiday palette last year. I kind of wish I had, but I did not. But yeah, her eyeshadows are just so easy to blend in my opinion. Now we're gonna take the Smoke shade from the Happy Glow, this rosy pink color, and I'm going to put this on the kind of outer V of the eye. And I'm going to take a big blending brush again and just kind of lightly blend that in so it fades kind of seamlessly into that crease color. Ooh. So it's one of those palettes that just looking at it just inspires me. Like I just want to play with it. I want to create several looks with this palette. I'll probably do a follow-up video once it comes back in stock so more people can purchase it, but this palette is just, to me, it's just so beautiful. I know her stuff or these kinds of palettes are limited edition, and that's why, to me, this is kind of a collector's item. Okay, so now I want to add some shimmer to the lid to kind of brighten the lid up a little bit. So I think I'm gonna mix this light golden shade from the green Dream Glow actually and the pinky color. I think I'm gonna use a little bit of both. So I'm gonna take the one from Dream Glow, the more golden looking one, with my finger and pop that onto the, oh gosh, on the center of the lid. I mean, my lord, that is pretty. Okay, then I'm gonna take the pinkier one and just tap a little bit of that towards the inner corner. Wow. Okay, and then for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that brown we put in the crease and just add a little bit of that. Just kind of connect it to that top color, or the same color on the lid. How pretty is this? Oh my goodness. Love, love. So that's all I'm gonna do today. Like I said before, when this palette comes back, I'm gonna do some more looks with that green, the Dream Glow and the Seduce Glow. But this is what I'm gonna stick with today. But oh man, this is so beautiful. I love, love, love this. So I'm going to finish up the rest of my face and then I'll come back and we'll get some final thoughts. Okay, so I just finished up the rest of my makeup and this is how everything came together. Well, okay. To me, this palette is so stunning. I just think, I mean, look at these colors together. This is just so beautiful. I love this palette. I feel like this is a good mix of neutrals and a little bit of a pop of color, but it's not anything super out there. So I feel like the average person can really use these colors in this palette. Yes, it's an expensive palette. It is $75. It is limited edition. I'm excited for people to be able to get their hands on this when it comes back in stock because this is just so beautiful. Like I said before, I didn't buy her holiday palette last year and I was kind of regretting it, but now I'm happy that I waited and got this one because I think this one is my favorite in my opinion, just based off the colors. But this is so beautiful to me. And this formula, I mean, like I said, all her eyeshadows, in my opinion, blend really well, but I had no trouble at all blending any of these colors. I mean, they practically blended themselves. So it's just such a good formula. It's such high quality. I think it's just such a beautiful palette. If you don't like shimmer, definitely this is not the palette for you. Like I said, there's really only 2 matte colors in here. I guess I've seen some people say that the black shade is matte, but to me it looks like it has a little bit of shimmer in it. So I would really only say that these 2 smoke shades, the brown and the rosy color, are the matte shades in here. I wouldn't say any of the other shades are matte at all. So if you don't like shimmer, you won't like this palette. But if you do, and you like Charlotte Tilbury and you're interested in these colors, I think this is totally worth the money. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this look and if you would be interested in seeing more looks, maybe with the green and the blue colors once this palette comes back in stock, because I think I will probably end up doing that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed another What's New Wednesday from me. I will see you guys in my next one. Remember, simply be you. I'll see you next time. Bye.